Hi everybody, this is Dr. Methode, and today I have for you the MBK Skincare Eye Rejuvenator. So this tool is your answer for younger looking eyes. So before we get to the details of it, I'm going to show you what to do for your eye cream, because this is going to work with your eye cream. So we're using the MBK Skincare Eye Contour Serum. So how do you apply this? You're going to put one pump onto your ring finger because it is the weakest finger and you want the least amount of pressure on this delicate eye area. So with just one pump, that's about maybe a bean size or pea size amount, and you're going to dab your two ring fingers together because that's your weakest. You want the least amount of pressure. So you're going to dab all the way around your eye bone, so like around the eye socket bone. You don't want it right next to your eye. So you dab, dab, dab. And if you have some left over, put it on your eyebrow, because your brow bone goes up around there too, right? Okay, so dab, dab, dab. Once you're done, you're going to turn on the eye rejuvenator. So push the button, it beeps and turns blue, and now it's going to start heating up to the same temperature as your body. Okay, so this is going to help with dark circles, puffy eyes, wrinkles, all things like that. So as this is heating up, this titanium tip, this is going to help the serum absorb better into your skin. So this is going to bring oxygen to the surface of your skin. This is going to soothe your eyes and keep them healthy looking and soft. So when you apply it, you can kind of, the same thing, kind of dab around. So you're going to stop at these like 5 little points around the brow bone. So it doesn't hurt, it doesn't burn, it feels pretty good right here. This is helping the skin to get oxygen to it, so that's going to help your skin to create more collagen, to help the skin to heal and be more youthful and supple, and to not only prevent wrinkles but to take them away. So this is your anti-aging secret weapon, right? So click the link below to save 40% and to learn more about this. Thanks for watching.